Hey y'all! You want to be a rockstar programmer? Well, how do you be a rockstar? There's a few ways. You could study programming and become really good. Or alternatively, you can just go to code with rockstar.com and become a rockstar programmer. So, what am I talking about? Well, this fine gentleman over here, Mr. Dylan Beatty, well, one day he was, as he says it, one day he was looking at all the job ads that kept saying, we want to hire rockstar programmers. And so he got an idea. What if he created a programming language called Rockstar? And if you were good at it, well, you're a rockstar programmer. So that's what he did. He wrote the specification of a language named Rockstar. So a couple of collaborators got together with him and they fleshed out the syntax and actually wrote a working implementation. So let me read you some syntax for Rockstar, an actual Rockstar program that is doing the Fizzbuzz. So what's Fizzbuzz? Okay, Fizzbuzz, well, anyone who has done a job interview in the past few years has seen Fizzbuzz. So Fizzbuzz is an algorithm that basically just counts all the integers from 1 to 100, prints it out on the screen, but every time it prints out it gets a number which is the multiple of 3, it puts fizz. If it gets the multiple of 5, it puts buzz. Multiple of 3 and 5 puts fizzbuzz. Basically, it's a 15, you put fizzbuzz. Very basic algorithm. Okay? So, what does it look like in Rockstar? Okay, so I'm gonna read the syntax for you. Rockstar, well, the language is like a hair metal power ballad. Think of Bon Jovi, like the early Bon Jovi, Twisted Sister, that kind of thing. That's Rockstar. So let me start with the syntax, okay? So I'm gonna read this out. This is verbatim Rockstar syntax, okay? Midnight takes your heart and your soul. While your heart is as high as your soul, put your heart without your soul into your heart. This has to be setting up variables. Give back your heart. Desire is a love-struck lady killer. My world is nothing. This is definitely setting something to 0. Fire is ice. Hate is water. Until my world is desire. Oh, desire again, yeah. Build my world up. If midnight taking my world, fire is nothing, and midnight taking my world, hate is nothing. Gotta scroll it. Shout, Fizzbuzz. Yeah, that's what. 15. Take it to the top. This gotta be a loop. This whole block's gotta be a loop. If midnight taking my world, fire is nothing. Shout, fizz, multiple of 3. Take it to the top. If midnight taking my world, hate is nothing. Say, buzz. Take it to the top. Whisper my world. Okay, so that's pretty ridiculous. But basically, all it's doing is a very basic algorithm that's just taking the modulus of the number as it's outputting the number and saying fizzbuzz, fizz, or buzz. Pretty basic stuff, but still hilarious. I love this stuff. It's hilarious. Okay. So where can you get this? Where can you get Rockstar? Okay. So GitHub, rockstarlang/rockstar. That's where you can get it from. Let's just go through a bit of what it is. Okay, so it's a dynamically typed programming language. Gotta be dynamic. Kids don't declare variables these days. All dynamic, no data types. Okay. Mostly pointless. Nah, I don't think so. It's doing well. Going places right here. Oh wow. So it's written in JavaScript, runs in a browser, and supports Node. Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing. So it's got other implementations, it's got a Java implementation, and I don't care so much. So there we are, we've got implementations, we've got a JavaScript transpiler, that's gonna be the most popular one out there. Oh, it's got Ruby and Python, oh, that's good as well. Oh, it's going places, it's actually going places. There's quite a lot of support for this language. no, reasonably, nobody's going to use this language. But anyway, really, really awesome programming language. Yep. There's also enterprise for not so cool people. Yeah, we cover that next time. Not so important right now. So anyway, this is the Rockstar Programming Language. Definitely give a shout out to Mr. Dylan Beatty and his collaborators for creating this awesome language. I love it. This is some awesome stuff right there. Yeah, if you want me to cover more of these kind of esoteric languages and things like this, like kind of on the fringe, definitely write in the comments below. Tell me what you think about it. I think this language 5 out of 5. I think this is an amazing programming language. Definitely a 5 out of 5. What can I say? Go ahead, download the language, give it a try, write a super awesome web server serving up power ballads. Your network's gonna love it right there. So give me a like, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, hit that bell icon so that when I post a new video, you're gonna know about it. And definitely write some comments below. Let me know what you think of the video, what you think of the language. Just let me know how you're doing. Yeah. So anyway, I am High Voice signing out.